In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can set up and install Facebook Pixel to your Shopify store. So the first and the most important thing is you need to make a business account for Facebook. So simply search for business.facebook.com and make sure to sign up with your account. Now once you sign up, this is how it is going to look like. You can also create multiple business portfolios if you haven't created one. Otherwise, you can start by clicking on settings and then you need to head over to ads account. Now you need to simply click on the ad on the top right and make sure to create a new ad account. I already have created a new ad account. You need to head over to data sources and now we need to add our pixels. Now the options of pixels has moved to datasets, so simply click on datasets and then you need to simply click on the ad on the top right, make sure to name it and then click on create. Once you have created your new dataset, the next step will going to be opening it in Events Manager and then you need to click on Setup Metapixel. Now click on Check for Partners and make sure to select your Shopify and then you need to click on Go to Shopify. Now this is going to automatically take you to Shopify App Store where you need to install the Meta, Facebook and Instagram. So simply click on install. And the next step is you need to connect your Facebook account. Make sure to connect the account that you are using for your business manager. And after connecting your account, the next step is you need to select your business portfolio. Then you need to simply make sure to select maximum and then click on save. Now as for the data sharing, you need to simply select your newly created dataset. In my case it was Shopify store. Agree to the terms and condition and then click on submit for review. Now the next step will going to be you need to enter the URL of your website. So simply copy the URL of your website and paste it in your verify connection tab and then click on send test traffic. Now you can click anywhere on your website just to check whether it's working properly or not, and if it is showing active that means it is working properly. Then click on next and then click on finish. Now the last step that we can do is going in settings again and then you need to simply go for the brand safety and then click on domains. Now this is where you need to create a new domain and then you need to enter your Shopify URL just like so and then click on add. After that you need to verify your domain name, so you just need to copy this meta tag, click on it and then go back to your Shopify store, go to the online store, make sure to make a copy of your Shopify store theme and then click on edit code. Now go to the themes.liquid and then you need to find the head, make sure to paste it just like that and then click on save on the top right of your screen. And once you have saved it successfully, you can now go back and click on verify domain. And if it is showing you this unable to verify, you need to wait for at least 72 hours and then click on verify domain and it should verify completely. So that's the way of how you can set up your Google Pixel with your Shopify store.